Today, we're going to do a 7-minute routine for your morning to help you transition between being asleep and having to go about your day. And this 7 minutes will incorporate some Tai Chi moves and some Qigong moves. The focus of this routine is really to allow your body to open up. You know, when we're sleeping, we actually constrict down. So when you wake up, you need a little bit of transition to open up all those joints, which allows the blood to flow more naturally. It allows that synovial fluid to fill into the joints. It allows the breathing, if you're incorporating deep breathing with this routine, it'll oxygenate all those cells, getting you ready for your day. It will help your body in remember a good posture as well to help you be against gravity, right? We need to be in a relaxed posture, which we teach in Tai Chi. So this routine is really all about opening yourself up, allowing your body to naturally stand in an upright position, and then to have all of the energy flow well. These moves are very simple to do, very simple to learn. So we're just going to go right into our 7-minute morning routine. So now I just want you to stand tall and feel the ground for just a second. And take a nice deep breath in. And good. So now bring your weight over to the right, open up left, and just have your feet about shoulder width apart. And we're going to start with a move called preparation. Just let your arms float up and float down. Breathing in as you come up, breathing out. Let your hands be nice and soft. Don't let those shoulders come up to your earlobes. Breathing down. Breathing in and breathing out. Now your palms are going to face up. This move is called pushing the mountains. Breathe in as you come up, then open up and push the mountains. Then breathe in as you come, gathering that energy, and breathe out. Breathing in. Push the mountains. Don't straighten, don't lock those elbows. Let your body be relaxed. Again, keeping those shoulders down away from your earlobes. Pushing the mountains. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. And breathing out. Now I want your palms up, but interlace your fingers. We'll do what's called raise hands. Breathing in as you just extend, just gently, and then breathing out as you open up and come down. Breathing in, turn those palms towards the ceiling, and breathing out. One more, breathing in, turn the palms up, and breathing out. Good, now we're going to do that raise hands again. We're just going to add a gentle turn. As you're here, turn to the right, just to the point where you feel good. And then come back to the middle and breathing down, breathing out. Breathing in, we'll turn to the left this time. Turning, breathing out. Good, now we'll do that same move almost, but this is 2 hands hold up heaven from the 8 strands of the brocade. Allow your head to drop back and then bring your head back and then breathe out. Breathing in, allow your head to drop back, straighten out those arms, then bring your head forward and come down. Let's do that 2 hands hold up heaven one more time. Let your head relax, then bring it forward and bringing it down. Now we're going to step out left, and this is called parting the clouds. It's not a big step out, and it's not a big motion. I just want you to gently push and then part the clouds. You're breathing out as you push away from your body, breathing in as you come back. But keep your shoulders in harmony with your hips. Don't push too far forward and don't pull back with your shoulders. You want your body to be in harmony. Bring that left foot back, bring the right foot forward, parting the clouds. Try to incorporate deep, long, slow breaths. Just very easy breathing, not forced. Good, then bring that weight back. And now just bring all the weight over to your right leg and lift that left heel. Bring your weight over to the left and lift that right heel. Now bring the weight over to the right and see if you can lift just a little bit higher. Maybe lift that toe off the ground. As your weight comes to the left, try to keep this left leg slightly bent and let that empty right leg come up just a little bit off the ground. Remember, we're trying to help our body be in a good posture so that we can walk about our day with confidence. Lift a little bit higher. And now try to kick out. Bring the weight over to the left. Lift that right leg and kick. Let's do 2 more kicks. Thinking about keeping those shoulders in harmony with your hips. And still breathing nice and deep and easy. Now bring that weight over to the right. Step out left. This looks very much like parting the clouds, but this is called pushing chi. Pull your hands back. Don't straighten the arms. Keep them nice and rounded. Let the elbows remain dropped. Breathing out as you push away. Breathing in as you come towards your body. Breathing out. Breathing in. Bring that left foot back. And now step out with the right, pushing chi again. Think about pushing all the bad things out and then breathing in all the good things that the day holds for you. Pushing out the bad and allowing the good to have room to come in. One more. Good. Now, I just want you to carry a big ball across your body. And I want you to rotate on your central column, which is your spine. This is called wave hands like clouds. Remember to keep those shoulders down away from your earlobes. And just feel how good rotating feels. Don't lock your knees. Now let your right hand drop into what we call a bird's beak. Let that left come across and then settle. This is called a single whip. Now let's do that wave hands like clouds again. Gently pulling that ball across your body. Let your hands be nice and soft. Feel that energy flowing through your body. Now let your left hand come into that bird's beak. Step out with your right foot and settle. Then bringing that foot back in, we'll do what's called heaven and earth. Hands are about 6 inches apart. Follow your fingertips with your eyeballs. And then look to the left as you open up. Hinge from your hips only to your point of stretch. Turn those palms forward and come all the way back up. And bring it down. Now I want you to focus on pulling that oxygen, pulling that energy all through your body, all the way up. This time as you open up, look right. Hinging. Pull as much energy from the ground that you can, pulling all the way up through your body, and then bring it all the way down. Let's do those again. Breathing in as you come up. Breathing out as you open up. Hinge. Let your body stretch. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time. Breathing in. Breathing out, looking to the right this time. Hinging. Stretch. Breathing all the way up. And breathing out. Now your body should feel nice and relaxed and open. This will get you ready for your day. And if you're experienced in doing Tai Chi and Qigong, you'll notice that that morning routine is still focused on those underlying principles. We were thinking about our columns, keeping our shoulders in harmony with our hips. We were thinking about being suspended from the crown of our head, allowing our feet to be rooted and grounded, knowing where our weight was, our substantial and insubstantial, and moving from the dantian, letting our core help us with that rotation so it's nice and relaxed. This kind of morning routine will help you not only physically, but you'll be better mentally prepared to face your day.